we gather here today to celebrate St.Chavara Day. Let's reflect on a thought which relates deeply with his life. Education is the key to unlock the golden door of freedom. This quote reminds us of St. Chavara's unwavering belief in path of education to transform lives and communities.
Frantic morning to the worthy of regard principal, Reverend Sister Rostom, our school manager, Reverend Sister Pushpa, all these loving dear sisters, adroit mentors, and the shining Carmelites. We wish you a happy, healthy, and prosperous New Year.
Your delightful presence has indeed filled joy and zeal in the ambience of this auditorium. On this blissful occasion, we, the students of class 8th-D, are here to celebrate the heavenly birthday of great Indian saint, Kuriakose Elias Chavara.
Let us all join our hands to invoke God's blessing through this prayer song.
Blessed Kuriakose Elias Chavara was born on 10th of February 1805 at Kainakari, Kerala. His devoted parents brought him up with zeal and love for God. Blessed Kuriakose Elias Chavara was ordained a priest on 29th of November 1829. He tried to see the image of God in every human being and cared for them through his loving service.
St. Chavara will live for a short span of 66 years, but could do what many people together cannot achieve for a course of many centuries. He was able to do so as he himself preached and believed that those days in which we have not rendered any good to others shall not be reckoned in the book of life. Do it fast.
Yes, Father.
Hey, Kumaran, why don't you send your children to school? It is their age to play and learn, not to work.
Yes, St. Chavara, I would be happy to send my child to school, but they don't
their caste.
Now, the fate of my child will be better than mine.
Dear teachers and my dear students, first of all, let me wish the belated Chavara Day greetings to all of you. Every year, the January 3rd, we celebrate St. Kuriakose Elias Chavara's centenary celebrations. Yes, on this occasion, I would like to congratulate the wonderful performance of students of 8th-D class under Dini Madam and Harish sir, the music teacher, the Bharati Madam, Hansar, dance teacher Sushila and Hema, and other Sunil sir and Gathi Madam. All the teachers, their different capacities, help the children for the better performance. Congratulations to all of you for your good message. You enacted the message on the stage. I request all of you give a one thunderous clap for our 8th-D class students on the occasion of St. Chavara. Yes. Today we gather to celebrate the life and legacy of St. Kuriakose Elias Chavara, the founder of the congregation of Mother of Carmel. That's why CMC they were telling that we belong to congregation of Mother of Carmel, and a great visionary who dedicated his life to God and humanity. St. Chavara was not only a man of deep faith, but also the pioneer of education and social reform. His tireless efforts in uplifting society, especially through education, continue to inspire us today. It was his vision to empower individuals, particularly women, through knowledge and moral values that led the establishment of the CMC congregation. A congregation committed to prayer, service, and education. Dear students, St. Chavara's life reminds us the importance of humility, hard work, faith, and his words through their props also it was shown there. Children, you are the treasures in the hands of your parents. Can you repeat? Can you repeat? Children, you are the treasures in the hands of your parents. Once again, children, you are the treasures in the hands of your parents.
As we wrap up our assembly, let us carry the teachings of Saint Kuriakose Elias Chavara within us, the spirit of compassion, wisdom, and the unwavering dedication to education.
Let us walk forward and open hearts to learning and hands ready to help. Wishing you all a day filled with inspiration and joy. Thank you all for being a part of this assembly today. We would like to thank for your valuable presence.